Watervliet man has been sentenced to 18 months in prison for dealing illegal firearms. The FBI announced today that 46-year-old Sean Patrick admitted to building and selling semi-automatic pistols between 2021 and 2022. According to the Department of Justice, a search of his home uncovered more illegal firearms, gun kits, and more than 1,000 rounds of ammunition. The FBI and local law enforcement led the investigation. In addition to prison time, Patrick was fined $7,500, given 3 years of supervised release, and ordered to forfeit his weapons.